Hello everyone, I decided to do my assistive technology tool on slant boards. We are starting to see a huge switch from traditional desks to slant boards in the classroom. Today I'll be discussing what slant boards are, the different types of slant boards, who can use them, the benefits, the cost, how can you utilize them in the classroom, and I will also be showing a short video on a student using a slant board. I hope everyone enjoys. So what are slant boards? Slant boards are a low assistive technology tool that can assist students with their writing and reading. They are a flat surface positioned on an angle with clips to hold paper and or books. The picture on the left shows one type of slant board that allows magnetic manipulatives to be used. Many students also use slant boards to correct their seating posture and to be closer to their material. When it comes to slant boards, there are different styles that you can choose from. It all depends on what your students' needs are in the classroom. You can figure what works best for your students based on their IEPs or needs. The Visual Edge board, pictured on the top left, is a lightweight board that can be transported back and forth from a school. This board is difficult to use for students with poor hand function. These boards can also have an option of being magnetic. In the video later, it will show an example of a magnetic Visual Edge slant board. The back design slant board, pictured in the middle left, is durable and easy to carry. This allows the student to manipulate the angle on his or her slant board. It is suitable for both reading and writing. The last slant board is the Flag House slant board, which is pictured on the bottom left, right here. These are large size slant boards used for special needs classrooms and young children. In many classrooms, we typically see the Flag House slant boards because they are cheaper and can be used universally. That brings us to the next slide of who can use slant boards. As mentioned previously, any students can use a slant board to assist with their writing and reading. Many students are utilizing this tool because it is required in their IEP or 504 plans. The students who benefit from this are low fine motor and visual skills. Also, it helps students with attention deficit because it allows them to stay focused on the content that is in front of them. If any of your students struggle with these attributes, then I recommend looking into getting a slant board. There are many benefits with using a slant board in the classroom. One, it promotes fine and visual motor skills for students who struggle with this aspect. It is also an easier to reach work surface. The picture on the left shows a young girl who is working on an assignment. She seems to be positioned correctly to reach her work successfully. Slant boards also help with posture and allows visual tracking for reading. This tool helps promote proper form of writing and posture for working at either a desk or a slant board.